welcome back to Wendy's World. So in this particular episode, we are going to talk about lockdown, self-quarantine. So I'm going to tell you 10 different things that you can do to get through the self-isolation. It is a gorgeous day today. It's been actually really cold here in Toronto. We have had like 3 degrees and snow. So this is really welcome to us, isn't it, Bailey? So take walks, just social distance. It is doable. Look at this stunning tree. I never get tired of looking at cherry blossoms. Beautiful. So I just showered and I did my hair and I curled my hair and now, I let it air. Seems like a really silly thing for me to have to advise you to do, and that is to wash yourself. Take a shower daily. You have to maintain some sort of schedule as if you are still going to work. This is what you need to do. If you break, take the time to sit down and read. We have the time now. There's so many good books to look at and read. And then there's this one. Men love bitches. It is a wonder I'm not married.
Okay, I'll get ready. Yeah. I just bought this a couple weeks ago. I hope it's using it. It's great. Yeah.
The streets are still fairly busy here in Toronto, even though we're still in a state of emergency, but some storefronts, as long as you have a storefront area. So I just got back from the market and I feel amazing because look at what I picked up at my local market. I picked up some gorgeous, gorgeous flowers. You can do that too. Go out, pick yourself up some flowers and plant them. Plant them in your garden, plant them on your balcony. Do this for yourself. You will feel amazing immediately. I also shop locally, and locally for me is I have an organic fruit and vegetable market. So look at all my gorgeous fruits and vegetables. First thing in the morning. I just put Shea Moisture Enhancing Cream in my hair. Look how beautiful my hair is. That's the type of thing that you can do for yourself. Go to your local drugstore, pick up some wonderful products just for yourself and lavish yourself. I also have tutorials on how to cut your own hair at home and how to color your own hair. So I will link that up in my description box. I think one of the things that we find most frustrating about our circumstance right now is the lack of control. But one thing that you can control is your living environment. You can tidy it up and you can declutter. My refrigerator, as you can see, is really messy and it's time to give it a good clean. So I purchased some fridge liner. I got it from the dollar store. It only cost me $4, and so I'm going to get started now. love this. I only just discovered it, and it's bubbly. It's got no sugar, and it has some really nice bubbly and some nice flavor. It's lime. I'm gonna take a break. Oh my god, I have so much crap. Let's see how old this. Oh, one of the wonderful things about my dad and what he taught me is he was really, really good at recycling. So, wow, it's done. Okay. Oh my God, look at that. It's way better. Check it out. So much neater. That feels really good. And a very large canvas, 2 feet by 3 feet.
Everything's good. Yeah, everything's good. This is Friday, so this is my last day of the week. I'm always in a good mood, but when it's Friday.
Oh yeah,
And,
yeah. You're like.
Baby is good. It's really tough right now, with COVID-19. So trying to stay positive, trying to create a routine. Baby naturally has to.
I love this workout program. It is 21-day fix. Look at her. That's Autumn. She's amazing.
One more rest. Like to hold it right and rest. Nobody said Dirty 30 was going to be easy. Round 3 is over. Oh, we're more than halfway finished, you guys. Okay.
I do want to acknowledge that I am fortunate in that I do have a job and I have health benefits, and I'm very, very lucky to have all of that, as well as the fact that I am taping from a very beautiful home, and I understand my privilege in that. And maybe some of you have unfortunately lost your job, or you have reduced pay, or possibly lost your businesses, and I hope that you can get through this really difficult time. I do also want to acknowledge that the products that I suggest that you purchase are actually quite reasonable, in the fact that I went to the dollar store and I bought those pots for gardening, and they're only between $3 and $4 each. Also, the other products that I was showing to you, for example, the face masks are only $1.99, and the most expensive thing would have been the nose pore strips, the Korean ones that I got from my drugstore, and they're about $5. So I hope I helped you a little bit, and I hope that you're going to get out and try some of these different things that I've suggested, and that this will raise your spirits and make you feel better. So, I know. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you next time. Bailey says goodbye.